Morning everyone, just doing a little video about my raised beds which have been cleared and basically well planted up. So I've got rhubarb, some strawberries, raspberries, blackcurrants, gooseberry. I've got some little catch crop salads and radishes in there. So these are baby mixed leaves, bit of rocket and some radishes. Got my flat leaf parsley, parsnips. We eat a lot of parsnips and carrots and make a lot of soup, so there's rows and rows and rows of them. They'll start to come up in a few days, I think. Beetroot, and this end of the bed will be for my tomatoes, which are sitting in the polytunnel, and this bed here will be butternut squash, and I don't know, I might put some beans in, I'm not sure. And then at the end I've got some apple tree rootstocks which are growing okay, and these will grow into proper rootstocks, which next February I will graft apple tree varieties onto. Can never have too many apples. So it's a lovely sunny day. Might have to throw a bit of fleece on if we think there's going to be a frost, but all in all, quite pleased with that.